CAM, the lead oxide specialists.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to Camland. I am Francesco Marfisi from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Today I want to talk about remote assistance on CAM equipment. As you know, in the lead battery manufacturing, every minute counts. You know very well that every minute of breakdown it's a problem for you, for your company, and you know better than me, you stay every day under pressure for your bosses, your chief, and your customer. For this reason, today I want to talk about the remote assistance who our best customer have on our equipment. We have a premium service. What is this premium service? When we sell an equipment, I mean ball mill, all the lead oxide area from the lead shaver or melting pot up to the mixer, curing chamber, fast melt, and so on. We give the opportunity to have the remote assistance because we know very well that the problem of the lead battery manufacturing is not the less price of equipment, but the guarantee of the quality, the consistency, and no breakdown of machinery. Today I want to show you how our team every day works together with our customer to give the best remote assistance in case of needs, when you have doubts, issues, and so on. Okay, now I want to show you live how I every day assist my customers. We use TeamViewer to connect our equipment around the world. Now I want to show you, for example, this plant. Today we have 6 premium service activate. For example, now I want to show you a plant of industrial lead battery manufacturing in US. As you can see, this is the live situation in this plant. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ball mill, 2 lead shaver XL. Let me check what's happened here. This is the lead shaver. Now it's out of line. I don't know why. But in any case, I want to show you this is all the SCADA installed in this plant. For example, you can see what's happened on the lead oxide conveyor, what's happened in the whole slag conveyor, and sure the ball mill. For example, in this case you can see live the trend, and then you can analyze and my team can analyze in detail what's happened in case of needs. That's it, the situation in US. Now we go in Colombia, in another plant. In this case we have all the lead oxide equipment made by CAM, from the lead shaver up to the mixer, before the mixer. In this case, yes, even in this case we have the ball mill running. Very good, very good. Curing chamber. We have, they have 8 steam cure 20 pallets. This is an automotive lead batteries manufacturing, and then this is the lead shaver for ingots. Now we go in an old ball mill installed in maybe 1998, 1999 in Germany. Even in this case, in this case, the SCADA is very old and the ball mill is running very well. As you can see, all the parameters. Even in this case, you can see all the conveying system, filter, and sure, even the alarm and so on. Okay guys, now we go in another plant in Germany. They produce industrial and high-level industrial batteries, MOP 14 ton, and even in this case we can check everything, it's okay. Now we go in Portugal. Okay, this is the situation in Portugal. This is a MOP 30 ton, very big plant, amazing plant, one of the best in my opinion. Wonderful guys, manager and so on. You can see even the language, even plant have the language of they need, in this case Portuguese. And at the moment that's it, and there are a lot of customer has big players, doesn't want a direct connection with us for IT routes and so on, and in that case they give us the connection only for the assistance, and then they close the connection. That's it. If you have doubts, more information, question, you can just comments below this video, or please send me an email, or if you don't know me, please click on the link to download the CAM box and receive all the information about high skill, high level lead battery equipment, in detail ball mill, curing chamber, and the innovating solution for lead battery manufacturing. I am Francesco Marfisi, live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Bye.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.